Hi, welcome. This video is again about NeoFetch and about the fact that we have the possibility to change, to change our logo, so ASCII code. Just made a video about that, and I'm not feeling particular great in creativity today. So I'm asking you guys if you could do a project for me. So if there are people interested to do the following: create a Carli ASCII code. If you wanted to do that, if you say, okay, I have a spare time, I'm in my creative mode, you need to be in that, otherwise, well, it won't work really. So we have how to create your own ASCII logo for NeoFetch. So we've made a video about that. And rather than trying to make my code, I'm just gonna ask you for some homework, so to speak. On the GitHub of ArcoLinux ISO, you'll find a new name, NeoFetch. It's forked from Dylan, and you can fork this one again from here. All you have to do is get in here, NeoFetch, and press the button. Of course, you need to have a GitHub account, so it's going to be in your system. And I've already prepared a lot, in the sense that in this code, the only thing you need to do is find Ctrl F Carli, and 3 times, 4 times, this thing needs to be changed. So in here, the C1 are the colors, so you can change the colors. And here we have all these kind of special things. And I'm not gonna put any restriction on it, but should be just an awesome Carli ASCII logo. Take a look at the logo we now have. Where can we see the logo of Carli? I wonder if he can provide it. No, he's not providing our Carli logo at all. Lots of Carlis. Here is something, but we've abandoned that particular logo already. That's too much. It needs to be something small. An ASCII logo that we can deduct, indeed, it's coming from Carli. We can probably find a code on here. So if you go to ArcoLinux ISO, Carli 5, for example, you'll find in syslinux the splash XF. Maybe that's a good idea to take this one. So the splash PNG is this kind of look, CI. But again, these changes, I mean, this was the old one. This may be even a better one. I don't know. It's a feeling, right? It always changes logos, but once you have a logo, you should stick with it. And this is, I think, a GIMP thing, GIMP version of it. But let's not restrict it to this particular logo. It can change. I mean, it's just an educational project, right? It's not going to be an ISO ever. So a logo that you say, yeah, this could be the one for Carli. Okay, so I'm leaving it completely wide open, up to you to decide how it's going to look. And I was thinking in the other video, this looks like a C if I just mirror this thing, but I'm not interested today in making any creative things. I have this belly feeling that's not going to work. I need to do other stuff first. So as a homework, as a project, if there are people creators out there and say, okay, that's something I want to try, remember there are also ASCII converters somewhere. So ASCII online or something. ASCII, so image to add. Assuming you have an image in Photoshop, in Illustrator, in Inkscape, and you can have this image, and you then send it to image to ASCII online, right? So you draw something, and then you put it through an ASCII converter, and you get these strange numbers and all that, and it even looks like a proper picture, right? We recognize what it is, but it's all gibberish. It's all Q's and U's and whatever, right? So it's actually art, ASCII art. All right, enjoy the creation. I'm wondering to see what I'll get. Join us, put it on Facebook, put it on Discord, on Telegram. You'll find me, there's enough social media. All right, cheers.